Do you love a healthy breakfast idea but don't want to do a whole lot of work in the morning? Then overnight oats are a great choice for you. All you have to do is place a few ingredients in a jar, place it in the fridge, and they are ready for you to enjoy in the morning. It is one of the easiest non-cooked breakfast options that leaves you with a healthy grab and go breakfast in the morning. So let's dive right in. In order to make overnight oats, you need old-fashioned rolled oats, milk of your choice, yogurt of your choice, maple syrup or honey. Be sure to use old-fashioned rolled oats as they are easy to maintain texture better after soaking overnight. To make an individual batch of overnight oats, add in half a cup of rolled oats to your jar, along with half a cup of milk. I'm using my homemade almond milk. A quarter cup of yogurt would add extra creaminess, 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, and 1 tablespoon of maple syrup. Then give this a stir and mix it all together and place this in your fridge for at least 2 hours or preferably overnight. You can also make a large batch for the week. For 4 servings, just add 2 cups of old-fashioned rolled oats, 2 cups of milk, 1 cup of yogurt, 1/4 cup of chia seeds, and 1/4 cup of maple syrup. And give that all a stir until it is well combined. Cover your bowl with a plastic wrap and place it in the fridge overnight, just like we did before. To show you how it starts to thicken up, this is what it looks like after 2 hours, and it will get even thicker the longer you leave it. You can enjoy your basic overnight oats with fresh toppings every morning. Here are some ideas. In a cup, put in your overnight oats and top this up with some apples or some granular nuts or some strawberries mixed with blueberries and a sprinkle of granulars. As you can see, it is super easy to top up your basic overnight oats with any fresh fruit or nuts you have at that time. If you prefer mixed flavors, here are some tasty flavor combinations you can try. This first one is my simple strawberry flavor. Use your base ingredients of half a cup of rolled oats, half a cup of milk, 1/4 cup of yogurt, 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, 1 tablespoon of maple syrup. Mix this up, and to that you will add in 1/4 cup of chopped diced strawberries. Mix to combine, add a lid, and place this in your fridge. After several hours in the fridge, you can see how the overnight oats have thickened up. These flavors are designed to not need any toppings, but of course you can always add some. I will just add in a little bit of the diced strawberries and a sprinkle of crunchy nut granular for that crunchy and tasty breakfast. This next batch of overnight oats is my simple blueberry flavor, and you will start with a basic recipe of half a cup of rolled oats, half a cup of milk, 1/4 cup of yogurt, 1 tablespoon chia seeds, and 1 tablespoon maple syrup. Give this a good mix and add in 1/4 cup of diced blueberries. Remember, these are just ideas. If you have any flavors or fruits of your choice, be sure to swap this in. Stir this, combine, and place them in your fridge. After several hours, take them out, add in some blueberries and some crunchy nuts for that delicious grab and go breakfast. For this last batch is one of my personal favorites. I'm going to make my golden kiwi overnight oats flavor. Just to mention, while some people love overnight oats cold, you can also enjoy yours warm, so feel free to enjoy this however you choose. To the basic recipe of overnight oats, add in 1/4 cup of thinly sliced golden kiwis. Mix this to combine and place it in the fridge. And for toppings, add in some diced apples and some kiwis, and also add in some nuts for that extra crunch. This is one of the easiest grab and go breakfasts that is so customizable to your desired taste, so feel free to try all these amazing recipes at home. The flavor combination of overnight oats are endless, and I hope this video gives you a tasty idea on how to get you started. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Please do subscribe to my channels and click the notification bell so you know when I do post new content, and I would love to see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.